welcome back to another video, and today we are out here squirrel hunting. And you guys know we're down here hunting. I've made a couple videos here, and I got my pellet gun, my pellets obviously, and everything like that. But I haven't made a video in a couple days because I haven't been able to get anything. So I mean, like, I can't make a video if there's nothing in the video to get. But yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to get something, and if I do, I'm going to be cooking it. So it's a squirrel catch and cook, or whatever I get, catch and cook. And these next couple days, I'm gonna try and do a rabbit or a raccoon catch and cook. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. And yeah, let's get the GoPro on and see if we can get something in here. Squirrel right up here, guys. Alright guys, so he's right here, guys. He's right here. There he goes, guys. He's straight up, guys. He's straight up. Got him. Finally, guys. Is that recording that? Yes. Whew. I got him. Guys, his guts was literally hanging out of his body. Whew. That was a messy hunt right there. That was the weirdest hunt I have ever experienced. Alright guys, so I just got this one right here. That was a crazy hunt. Like, I shot him the first time somewhere in the stomach, or like, I don't know, around here, around that area. And he crawled in a little hole and I couldn't get to him. And he ran out when I got close enough to him. He ran up on a tree, and yeah, I just shot him. And then he kept going on a bigger or a higher limb, and I shot him again. And yeah, that was a very, very weird hunt. Like, there's a lot of blood on the other side, and I'm not gonna show any of that, but yeah, I'm gonna go back here and on the other side and see if I can get any more of them. Alright guys, welcome back. I didn't get anything back there, but I still have this one squirrel right here, and we're gonna go back to the house, skin them and cook them up, and I'll see you guys over there, and we'll just go from there. Alright guys, what's up? I got back home, I skinned the squirrel up, and this is all I can get off of it because it was destroyed, and yeah, it's basically all I can get. But basically I got some vegetable oil in here, and got some flour, and basically what you're gonna do is, hold on, let me get my tripod out. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna want a little bowl or something. You don't need nothing big, just something like this would do. Just pour a little bit in there. And guys, you don't have to, but you can take an egg and break it and put it in here. And basically just put the egg on this and the flour sticks better. So you can do that. But yeah, basically what you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to mix them up in here until they have a good coating on them. And a little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, that should be good. And wash your hands. Actually, no, that's stupid. Why did I just do that? Because then now it's going to be wet. Okay. Take your squirrel or your meat and just put it in there. There we go. There's one leg. One more. There's another one. And just wait probably, I don't know, I'll let you guys know. And I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because it doesn't really be that hot. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know when it gets done, and I'll tell you how long to cook it for. Alright guys, so it's been about probably about 8 minutes. So we're just gonna take them, put them on this. Hopefully don't burn through. Okay. Okay, so that's good right there. And there's your squirrel right there. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste it right here, and yeah, very crunchy, obviously. I wanna get to the meat. See what that tastes like. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It looks good though. Tastes just like chicken. That's pretty good though. That's actually really good. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. That's the video. If you make sure to like, share, subscribe. But yeah, I'm going hunting tomorrow, and I'm gonna bring my cameras, obviously. But I don't know if we're gonna get anything. I don't know. The video will be out on it if we do. So yeah. That's basically it. If you like the squirrel hunts, make sure to just like the video, and I'll keep doing more of these. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye guys. Make sure to like, subscribe. Oh yeah, and my gaming channel will be in the description too. And if you want to follow my Instagram, like my Instagram for this YouTube channel, you can stay up to date with the videos and stuff like that, and a lot more stuff. that you can stay up to date with. HD Outdoors, go follow that, and my gaming channel will be in the description too. So yeah, if you like the video, like I said, like it and subscribe if you're new. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.